Crackdown. Noun. A severely strict, harsh action to restrict undesirable or illegal behavior. Synonyms: repression, eradication, suppression. Now look at the examples below. 1. A crackdown on knife crime. 2. Thousands have left their homes amid fears of a crackdown from the government. Culprit. 1. The cause of a problem or defect. 2. Someone responsible for wrongdoing. Synonyms: 1. Cause, source, root. 2. Offender, wrongdoer, criminal. Now look at the examples below. 1. High water pollution in lakes is the real culprit. 2. The New York City Police Department caught up with the culprit at 8:36 p.m. near West 86th Street. Damages. 1. A sum of money paid in compensation for loss/injury. 2. Physical harm that impairs the value or function. Synonyms: 1. Compensation, indemnity, restitution. 2. Affliction, harm, detriment. Now look at the examples below. 1. Nurse Wubbles agreed to a $500,000 in damages. 2. Flood caused extensive damage to the town. Decree. A legally binding command or decision, an official order. Synonyms: act, order, law, ruling. Now look at the examples below. 1. Every minister must be confirmed by presidential decree. 2. Local authorities issued a decree regulating the price of meat and other commodities. Deterrent. A thing that prevents or discourages people from doing something. Synonyms: block, discouragement, obstacle. Now look at the examples below. 1. The tough new law should act as a deterrent against crime. 2. CCTV cameras are a major deterrent to crime. Law and crime. In response to the recent surge in cyber crimes, the government issued a decree to implement a nationwide crackdown on illegal activities. The primary culprit behind these offenses was identified and swiftly apprehended, thanks to the collaborative efforts of various law enforcement agencies. Authorities emphasized that the damages caused by these cyber crimes were extensive, affecting both individuals and businesses. Financial losses ran into millions, and the emotional toll on victims was immeasurable. To prevent future incidents, severe measures were introduced, including harsher penalties, increased surveillance, and mandatory cybersecurity training for organizations. These actions serve as a strong deterrent to potential offenders, aiming to create a safer digital environment and restore public confidence in online transactions.